Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can save any post in your Facebook account. So, for example, if you are casually browsing your Facebook timeline and you stumble upon any post that you want to save, then you can bookmark it, or which is also called saving in your Facebook profile. So, in order to save any post, for example, if I want to save this particular post right here, what I can do is simply click on the three vertical dots present at the top of this post. Then here you can see that a variety of options appear on my screen. So in order to save this post, I can click on this save post button right here. Once I click here, you can see that I can either choose to save it on a default folder called for later, or I may also create a new folder. So if you want to create a new folder for any specific types of posts, so I can do so by clicking on the new collection button right here and naming that collection. So for example, I will name this collection as, and here you can see that once I click on the create button, the post has been saved to that particular collection. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.